Hey friends, this is Rochelle from Sky Valley Resort, and today I'm going to show you lot 763. So this lot is on the east side. It's pretty close to the Wild West Wash, so I will give you a drive-in tour and then I'll flip the camera around and give you a walk around of the lot. Here's a view of the lot. I'll walk it for you so you can get a feel for it. The little San Bernardinos are peeking out over there. So if you put a home with a deck on it on the front, you would be able to see them as you sat on your deck. Okay, I'm gonna show you just how close the Wild West Wash is. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like more information about the types of homes that you can put on this site that we sell here at Sky Valley, I will put a link where you can download a brochure. Additionally, if you would like more information, if you would like to come see the resort, please give us a call.